Welcome back to another video. Well, this is the start of the channel. And today we're going to be playing some Roblox. So, let's hop on the channel. Oh, okay, we got it pulled up right here. Alright, so I have in plan a jailbreak game today. And I'm going to show you guys some glitches that I have figured out through the years of playing jailbreak. Let's just hop on the server here now. Shouldn't take long. It is taking long. Okay, we're on. So we're going to play as a cop for right now, and then later on in the video, maybe a couple minutes in, we will be switching over to prisoner, just to give you another view. Okay, so... that's loud. Alright, so we're jumping on as a cop. Whoa. Oh, that did not work well. Okay, I'm gonna take all our police stuff. We don't really need all this, but I don't care. What the heck. Alright, so first glitch, you gotta go to the prison. And when you go to the prison, there's the road, and it's the tunnel glitch. Everybody that plays jailbreak should probably know the tunnel glitch, but just in case you don't know the tunnel glitch, it's extremely easy. Oh, crap, there's a briefcase right there that we are going to take as our own. Alright, let's hope it's a 10,000. Unless they took away the 10,000, because I haven't gotten a 10,000 in a long time, which is really disappointing because I can't take it. Alright, so... oh, shoot. Alright, we're at 150. Oh, and so I was going to show you guys the invisible glitch, but I can't do that glitch because they patched the glitch, of course, which is really tough, and I don't enjoy it, but okay. Okay, so here's the tunnel glitch. So, to get under the map, I probably should have used the jetpack. I mean, the jetpack's not required for this glitch, but it's still best to have it. Alright, so we gotta land here, right above, jump out, sit in passenger, and then I'm pretty sure G... yeah, it lowers you out of this rope. And then you head towards the tunnel. And then there's this little opening here. So you jump down it. Oh, shoot. Yeah, that's what you need the jetpack for. And then we have this whole entire open spot underneath the server. Which is crazy. It's so weird. And this is like a good hide-and-seek spot. Or if you're doing like... if you want to show off to your friends, stuff like that. I mean, it is a very good spot to be, and it's a very good spot to hide in. If you're doing like this using, it's I can't pronounce his name, but he does like hide and seek challenges. I got lost down here. Where am I? I think I go back this way, right? Yeah. Oh, I can't jump that. Okay, well, I'm gonna reset, and then we're gonna get to the next glitch. So the next glitch is we're going to go to oh, perfect. We're like right by this glitch. Let's go. Alright, I don't need my suit on. Oh, please don't take that. Okay, she's not taking it. So you can also use any type of flying vehicle for these glitches. It doesn't necessarily have to be the police helicopter. It could be the military helicopter. It could be the blade. I'm still saving for the blade, I know, it sucks. But still, you can use any type of flying vehicle. Okay, so the next glitch is going to take place right here, right? Yeah. So you want to get as accurate as possible, land, and you want to be like directly above the tracks. So let's see how we are here. Shoot, why did I pull that out? Oh, crap. No, we're not exact. Let me pull it over just a little bit. Yeah, but you want to get it about as exact as possible so that you can accomplish this glitch. Alright, so we'll try it like this right here. Hopefully this works. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing that we did in the last one. You get into a passenger, and then you go down in G. Oh, it didn't work as well. So, you're not visible at all unless you really look out that way. But the point is, this is like another hiding spot. It's not really to show your friends because it's pretty difficult to get back here. But I mean, it depends. If you really want to and you want to show off to your friends and do a little trick, then go ahead. Whatever. I'm just giving you guys these spots. All right. So flip this. We gotta take the Urus to the military base to get the other heli. Shoot. Alright, so the point is you want to get on top of the tunnel, and it's just another good hiding spot. Tell me it didn't spawn in here again either. It did not spawn in. Alright, well, we can probably move on. Oh, no we can't, because all these glitches you need a flying vehicle. Oh, shoot, it spawned right in as I was driving away. Wait, did it? No, I saw the thing. Okay. Oh, there's one on top up there. Alright, we're just gonna go grab that one. Shoot, what the heck? Alright. So, we're gonna go back to the same exact spot. And when we're there, you wanna get on top of the tunnel. I didn't get it too accurate, so I didn't get it very well. See, the point is you want to get it like exact, accurate as possible, so that you can like have a hiding spot there. Or it's just the same glitch as what I just showed you guys. You could do whatever you want with it. All right, so I completely forgot. It's back behind me. Oh, power outage. Okay, so it's right here, right? Yeah. All right, so we're gonna pull on top of this thing as best as we can. Right about. And we're going to have to reset after this again anyway. No, let's go off here. And I'm posting this video up, so they're probably going to just like patch all these. But as you can see, oh, I got it at the wrong spot. Oh, God. Okay, then. Well, we're just going to die right here, so I mean, we may as well just reset. Oh, okay. No point in that. Alright, let's hope we spawn at... Where am I? Oh, I know where I am. Alright, is there Urus in here? No. Oh, that's trash. The heck, bro. So the other glitch does take place over here, but I don't think you can't use the plane, and I'm pretty sure no helicopters spawn in here. So we're gonna have to head back to the town now. Oh, I'll just take this Tesla right here. Quick, we'll grab it. Shoot, bruh. No, you know what? Why do I keep pulling my taser out? Can't go down that way. Alright, I'm gonna grab... there's gonna be a crim in here. Yeah, frick you, bro. Got ye. Okay, so we're gonna get the plane and we're gonna fly over to the next glitch, where the glitch is gonna take place. Right? Yeah. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna hit the cargo plane, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, and by the way, I might make a video on this, but this plane is definitely worth however much it has cost. I don't even remember because I bought this so long ago. I bought this like right when they came out with them, and that was a pretty good buy. So I'm not gonna lie, I actually do enjoy this thing. I don't fly it too often. I usually take helicopters or military helicopters. I haven't gotten the Blaze yet. I'm still saving for the Blaze. Yeah, I have no money. I need to get more Robux. I only have like 2,000. I need more. Oh, perfect. Let's see if we can get this one. He probably locked it, whoever's it is. No, it's not locked. Okay. So, the next glitch takes place I'm not even sure where it takes place, actually. It was a volcano, but it's not this volcano. It's another volcano. Where is the other volcano in this game? I didn't think there was one. Oh, there is. It's behind the museum. I'm smart. I know. Okay, so it's kind of rainy, so you can't really see. So you want to pass by the museum and then go above this. And right here, there's this volcano. So this is going to seem extremely weird, but I don't want to die. But you go down and through the volcano, and then you have another secret hiding space. And see, I can't really go back up because I'm just gonna oof. And you can do this with the blaze. I don't think the military chopper will fit in here. Oh, and if you try going down, you're just gonna die because it's just more lava. It's just like the neon blocks. I mean, the neon obby blocks. You can't really do anything because you can't touch them because you don't want to die, right? So, I don't know. Should I just oof it? I'm gonna go through it. It's gonna kill me. Yeah, I knew it was gonna kill me. Okay, so I have one more glitch. And I don't even know why I'm doing that. Okay, so one more glitch. It might not work because they may have patched this glitch already. I'm pretty sure they did patch it, but I'm hoping they did not patch this glitch. This one is pretty cool. See, I don't have Mobile Garage on right now on this account because this is a very old account. And I never bought Mobile Garage. I need to, actually. That's probably a good idea. Alright, so it's a cop. Okay, I saw that guy. Alright, shoot. Okay, never mind. What the heck? It's gonna close and then mess me up. So, this one you just gotta go to the edge of the world. It's just gonna turn on. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna die. So, this one you gotta go to the edge of the map. And I don't know, I swear they probably, more than likely, patched this glitch. Because it's a very old glitch, actually. I'm pretty sure it's very old. So, we're going to turn the lights on. And then we're going to head to the, you actually don't need a helicopter for this glitch. You can use any type of car. Going from a starter car to just, anything, really. Okay, so here, we're going to climb up here. I'm pretty sure it's this side of the map. It's one of the sides of the map that you can only do it with, right? I don't think it is this easy. Unless they just... Did they really just, like, allow you to do that? Okay then. Okay then. Well, there you have it. We have it solved. So, I guess that glitch was either patched and just allowing you to do this, or they added that in with the new update with this Urus and Challenger. Oh, and the Challenger, by the way, speaking of Challenger, that is an amazing car. I'll actually go to the shop right here and I'll show you guys right now. This car is so nice. Alright, let's see. We're gonna go to spawn, Challenger, and the decals that I have on it right now actually make it even nicer. But this is a very fast car if you put level 5 engine on it, and it's also a really nice car. But I guess that wraps up the video for us now here today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Share this with other people. And that makes our video. So we're going to leave the game, hop out of the server. And I am going to stop recording. Oh, yes. And I have to add this in with the video. I'm not sure why. But I did use screencast to film my videos. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, share the video with anybody. And I'll see you guys on the next video.